Hey everyone, Eric Sargent, Ed Martin, Toyota, Noblesville, Indiana. I wanted to take a minute and show you the OEM wheel options for a 200 series Land Cruiser. The four that we're looking at here in the middle are the 5x150 bolt pattern that will fit a 200 series. Top we have the Tundra Rock Warrior wheel, a popular 17x8 wheel. It's a forged wheel. It is a faux bead lock two-piece wheel with a 50mm positive offset. Underneath of that, we have a 2020 TRD Pro Tundra and Sequoia BBS forged wheel. It's an 18x8. It's positive 60mm offset. You can tell it's a 2020 model year because it does say TRD. If it was a previous generation BBS forged wheel, it would say the word Pro, where TRD is. You can see it's got a black center cap with TRD on it. Underneath of that, we have the 2020 Land Cruiser Heritage wheel. It's the same wheel as the Tundra and Sequoia, except for it's powder coated in bronze. And then the center cap, instead of saying TRD, it does say the word Toyota. And then underneath of that, we have the 2016-2017 Tundra TRD Pro wheel. It's an 18x8, positive 60mm offset. We keep this in the lineup and on display just because it's a gloss finish. It's a really nice wheel. It's not a forged wheel. Similar in price point to the BBS wheels, but it's just a super pretty wheel. And there you have it. Those are your wheel options, OEM wheel options for a 200 series Land Cruiser.